Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Main Street in Baton Rouge runs through the historic downtown core and reflects the city's growth from a riverfront settlement into a modern capital. Located near the Mississippi River, the street developed during the 19th century as trade and transportation expanded along the busy waterway. Steamboat traffic helped local businesses grow, and government offices began to cluster nearby as the city expanded. Baton Rouge became the state capital in 1849, which increased the importance of the downtown area and brought more civic activity to Main Street. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the street was filled with shops, banks, theaters, and everyday services that supported a growing population. Streetcar lines helped connect downtown with nearby neighborhoods, making Main Street a central part of daily life. As suburban development increased during the mid-20th century, some businesses moved away from downtown, leading to quieter periods for the area. Later, revitalization efforts focused on restoring historic buildings and attracting new restaurants, offices, and cultural venues. Today, Main Street blends preserved architecture with modern development. Visitors can see historic commercial structures alongside updated spaces designed for events, dining, and entertainment. The street now serves as a reminder of Baton Rouge's early commercial roots, while also showing how the downtown district continues to evolve. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity. Thanks for watching!